the number one thing that tied all my sources of income together is content. Let us look at this particular channel. So over here, this is my main channel that has over 90,000 subscribers and 440 videos, right? So every single video right here is originally created by me. So let's see, does YouTube actually pay you uploading videos on their platform? Yes, of course. Over here, I'm just going to actually show you this single video that has made me 7,000, plus in ad revenue. 7,000 plus with just 1.8 million. It has part 2. The part 2 of this video has made around 1,000 as well. You can see how many subscribers I have right on this particular video. But do you know one thing about this current video I've just shown you right now? It has actually given me lots of, freelancing works, which means if I should actually estimate how much I have made just through this particular video, the ad revenue plus other income I have generated from this video is beyond $20,000, right? This is just 7,000. Selling of courses, getting clients, selling of templates just on this particular video because this video went viral. So why am I telling you this? Content creation tied everything up. So which means if you have a skill and nobody knows about it, it's only your neighbors, your community or your state, whatsoever, you are not ready to make money. So you have to bring your business to the internet, just like this. So which means if you must make money online, you have to find means to actually start creating content around what you do. It's very important. So content creation has made me this amount of money. Now, your question now is, which other way do you actually make money aside creating content around what you do? So I make money from Facebook, from Instagram, from TikTok. I make money from LinkedIn. But this actually depends on the kind of skill that you have. There are some skills that only resonate with YouTube. So you're going to have more of your clients, from YouTube than any other platform. So I have more of my clients from YouTube, and I still have few clients from other sources like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn. You understand? So which means you are not restricted to just create content around what you do right on YouTube. But before I go on and show you some other proof of the income I have generated over the years, let me let you know one thing. If you want to start creating content around the skill you have, what you know how to do best, there are two types of platforms. Number one is YouTube. YouTube is actually on its own. Then group other social media platforms inside one basket. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, just name it, group them in one, in one basket. So those ones you have just grouped right now, they are good for short form content, while YouTube is actually good for long form content. So if you look at this particular video, this video runs into 1 hour. So if you go to my main channel, like if I go to my homepage right now and show you the videos I have right in here, I have some videos that actually run into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. So this particular kind of video can only work right here on YouTube, right? Let me show you the proof of what I'm talking about. So if you look at this right now, this particular video is actually 6 hours. It has over 6.9, views. So that is exactly what it is. So let me take you to my next. This is the site that generates much more money for me. I have made 14,000 plus here. Then this is my account. This is my picture. This is my name right in here. This is one of my account on Udemy. So towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to actually leverage Udemy to make money, even though if you don't have any skill. I'm going to show you what you can do to actually acquire a particular skill from Udemy and sell the skill back to Udemy and other platforms as well. So this is one of my accounts right on Udemy. So over here, I have this other account right here. If I take you up here right now, you can see this is a different picture with my name as well right in here. So I have made $12,000 plus right in here. Can you see how it is right now? So what about Seller? So Seller is actually an African platform, maybe specifically a Nigerian platform, whereby you can actually start selling courses. I think it's just a few months old right now. I just opened Seller, and those are the different currencies I've made money right on Seller. So the question is this: what do you actually sell to them? as I have said earlier, I am a data analyst, right? I don't know if I've told you this before, but to those of you that had seen my face before or heard my voice before, what I do is teaching people how to use Excel and as well Power BI. That's exactly what I have taught right in here. If you look at this right now, it's about Power BI tutorial for beginners, right? That had made me $7,000. Convert $7,000 to your own currency, then that is beyond minimum wage of 100 persons, if I'm not mistaken, in my country. So which means it's something very huge. If you can actually create content around what you do, you can make lots of money from ad revenue and selling courses. Okay, so let me just click on the, let's go back. I think here detail, I'll show you something. So if you look at this particular video, here is the title and here is the description. So this is how you make money. So when you go down right here, right now, you start seeing, some couple of links right in here. Can you see? This is a link that actually takes people to my course. So maybe out of 100% of persons, maybe if just 2% of the 100% of persons that actually visited this particular page every single month can buy my course, I'm going to make, hundreds of dollars from them. You understand? This is how you make money. So right now I've shown you how to make money through content. Udemy, I have 2 Udemy accounts, 14,000, 12,000, and I have, seller that had actually made me millions of, naira as well, and some couple of dollars right there because you sell in different currencies and you actually convert the money into your own currency when you want to withdraw. You understand? So now I have a Skillshare accounts as well, which I've made money right from. I have tutorial point account, which I've made money right from. So it all boils down to the skill that I have. So I resell my skill to people. That is not the only means I make money. I make money by actually working for people. If I scroll down a little bit right now, you can see I have my phone number right here. I say for business inquiry, send WhatsApp message to this particular number or send mail to this particular, Gmail right in here. Can you see how that is right now? So I have a lot of people contacting me every single, month, like almost every single week, multiple contacts from different people across the world and actually work, on their data, send it back to them, get paid, right? And one other thing that pays me very well, which I'm actually about to stop right now because that takes a lot of my time, which is teaching people online, right? So I charge as high as 1,500, 600, 700, depends on what you want to learn, dollars. So I spend a lot of my time doing that. Right now, I don't take, new students any longer to teach them. So if not, that had made me lots of money. Sometimes I will have like 5 students in my class. So imagine 5 students pay me $500 each. How much do you think that is? And this particular class will last for some couple of weeks and is finished. Then I'm going to actually bring in more students again. You understand? So I have done that and it has actually worked for me. And if you do the same thing with the skill you have currently right now, it will definitely work for you. So let's say you don't have any skill and you want to leverage this same means to make money. So what are you going to do? That is the question. So that will actually take us back to, let's go back to Udemy now. So we are on Udemy. Let's actually start from the scratch. I'm going to actually go to Udemy homepage, not on my account right now. So we have to go to Udemy homepage. So I'm going to clear off this part here. So go ahead and search for Udemy. So open Udemy on your PC and you're going to see this particular, homepage right in here. This is where everything is. You understand? So what are you supposed to do right here? Then now you have to sit down and ask yourself what it is that you like. What is that particular skill you like that you want to learn? Do you like video editing? Do you like, data analytics, data science? Can you work with Python? Can you work with Excel? Can you work with Power BI? Just, try to bring out that particular thing. You always have that feelings like, I wish I know this form. You don't need to actually have any knowledge about it. All you need is just have that particular feeling like, I wish I can know this, right? So over here, if you look at this particular site right now, they are selling at least, this is 9,000 plus. So less than $9, right? If you want to convert this into dollars. So if you open it right now, if you open it on your own browser right now, you can see it will convert it into your own currency. Over here right now, this money is not much in my country. So what if you come over here right now and search for a particular course that you want to actually, start learning? So let us search for CapCut. So video editing, CapCut right in here. So now let's say you don't have any knowledge about CapCut video editing before. Now you want to have, broad knowledge about CapCut video editing. So all you have to do is to come over here and search for videos. So look at the best sellers right in here. So any bestsellers you see, which means they have sold lots of courses and they have good reviews, which means students trust them a lot, right? So all you have to do is to click on either of those particular guys right in here and purchase this particular course. And the next thing you have to do is to follow them to learn every single thing they have actually taught in this particular course. So after we have done that, if you see now, it's actually 8,000 reduced again. You understand this? The price is actually slashed again. So after you might have gone through this particular course, the next thing you have to do right now is to actually create some couple of projects that will help you to understand the software a lot. So once you've understood the software, the next thing you have to do is to create your own course and come right in here, create an account and start selling. You understand? But let me make you understand. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something that can happen within some couple of weeks. It might take you months or even a year if you're not somebody who is fast in learning. But if you have tech skill before now, that is okay. Before you know, you're already on it. So if your tech skill is not that strong, come over here and make a search of whatever you want to learn. Then buy a course right in here. Look at how they structure their courses. Every single thing, the intro, the body, the outro, every single thing, learn it. So once you learn it, the next thing you have to do right now is to actually create your own course. So let me show you how to record your course. And let's go over here. So what you need to do right now is to download a software called Ocam. This is the software I'm using right now. If I can bring it up, you can see the software is recording on my screen. It's actually capturing my screen right now. This particular video you're watching right now, this is the software that is capturing the screen for me. And as well, my camera right here, capturing, me in person. So come over here and download this particular software. So this actually helps you to record your screen, just like what you're watching right now on the screen and me as well. So if you go over to my personal, I think my YouTube channel right in here, these videos you see right here, majority of the videos, let me say 90.9% of the videos right in here does not have my face right on it. It's just pure screen recording, which means you don't need to have fancy camera, light. All you need to invest in is microphone, just something like this right in here. So this can actually cost you a lot. This is around $300 to $400, right? Which is very huge, right? You don't need to actually have this kind of microphone to get started. So all you need is to invest in decent one that you can actually afford. It's going to work. In fact, let me just shock you. When I just, got started, I started with the microphone I have on my PC, but it's not advisable to do that if you want to actually start making money in no time. Make sure you have quality audio. Your visuals, like your video quality, can be forgiven if it's not that clear, if it's a little bit blur, but nobody will ever forgive, bad audio. So make sure you invest more in audio. And showing your face is optional. You don't even need to do it. Just do it behind the scene. Record your screen, upload it. People will buy it. As soon as they can actually connect it to what you are saying, make sure your words are clear. Every single thing is actually on point. Believe me, honestly, you are going to make lots of money from it. So on a quick recap, we're actually talking about how to make money online. And some persons still have that particular feeling of like, no, they're lying to us. They're not making money online. You have just seen the proof right now. From YouTube down to Udemy, Skillshare is there, our tutorial point is there, and I have seller as well. Then I make money as a freelancer working for clients, get paid in dollars. And as well, I teach people how to use Microsoft Excel and Power BI. Then look at different means I'm actually making money. So if I don't make money from this one this week, I'm going to make money from this one or that other one or that other one. You understand? So now with what you have actually, watched right now, what are you going to do? How will you get started? Are you going to say, I'm going to start tomorrow? No, don't do it. Start now. Let me let you know one thing. Everything you see on this particular planet today starts from the mind, right? Every gadget, every single thing, tech, non-tech, whatever you see, even you start from your parents' mind, like, okay, want to make a baby, and they make you. You understand? So you see this particular phone right here? Somebody thought of it. I want to make a smartphone like this. Let us call it Infinix. Let us call it iPhone 14, iPhone 16 Pro Max. You understand? So from thought to reality. So now start thinking of what it is that you want to learn if you don't already have any skill. If you have a skill, start thinking of how to develop that particular skill. Then if you have developed the skill, the best way to make money is to actually make sure you create content around what you do. Now, if you ask me, how do you get people to buy those courses that actually made you this amount of money? And as well, if I show you my other account, how do you actually get people to actually, buy your courses? That is you pushing people from YouTube to your main course. So when you share value on YouTube, people believe that if you can actually give them this particular value, and now you said you have a course, then if they buy that particular course, they're going to get more values from that particular course. And one beautiful thing about Udemy is that Udemy has this particular, in-house marketing for you, which means they actually have that particular affiliate marketing and they push your content to buyers without you doing anything. So even though if you don't push traffic into your Udemy account, you are still going to make money, right? But if you have a traffic coming from any other places into YouTube, then you make more money than, when Udemy just sell for you. I don't want to go into how the revenue is being splitted when they sell or when you sell right now. I just want to let you know that when you actually sell on Udemy, you don't have to push traffic into Udemy to make sales. They actually do that for you, but they have a huge cut from it. But when you sell on sites like this particular site I'm using right now, on this particular site, I make my sales myself. I have to bring traffic in here. I can actually run ad, or I can actually put my links on my on my YouTube videos, on my Facebook, contents, and people see it and feel like, okay, this guy had been teaching us this. Let me just go ahead and see the course he has. So I have like 3 courses right in here. So somebody will just come here and feel like, okay, I want to buy his course. Then they make a purchase of the course I have right in here. So it's all about that. Now, the final question. Will you start anytime soon? Or will you start thinking about it right now? Making your decision right now? Will you start getting a particular course and master it right now? Or will you have to master the course you already have right now? Then if you have any question about how you can actually go about this, then I'm always here for you. Like always here for you. So hit me up via the comment section. Then we can discuss how you can actually take this further. See you in my next videos.